Good morning, Jason. It is so good to see you today. How are you doing?
Good morning, Sarah. I am doing great, thank you. I slept for nearly 8 hours last night, so I feel completely energized. What about you? Did you get a good night's rest?
Well, I woke up a bit earlier than usual today because I had several tasks to complete before leaving my apartment. But I am currently drinking my morning coffee, so I feel fully awake now.
I completely understand that feeling. I cannot start my morning properly without a warm cup of coffee either. What are your main plans for the rest of the day?
I have 3 team meetings at the main office today. I usually work from home on Mondays, but today we need to discuss a major upcoming project in person with our manager.
How do you usually commute to your office during the morning rush hour? Do you drive or take public transit?
I almost always take the local city bus. The bus stop is right in front of my apartment building, and the ride takes about 20 minutes to reach the city center. It is very convenient because I can listen to a podcast or read a book on my way. Did you drive to work today?
Yes, I drove my car, but the traffic this morning was terrible. It took me nearly 45 minutes. I definitely need to start leaving my house much earlier in the morning to avoid these traffic jams.
That sounds exhausting, Jason. Taking the underground train might be a much faster alternative for you during peak commuting hours.
That is a good point, Sarah. I used to take the subway last year, but I stopped because it gets so crowded. However, compared to sitting in traffic, it certainly saves a lot of time.
Did you manage to eat a proper breakfast before dealing with all that heavy morning traffic?
Fortunately, yes. I prepared some scrambled eggs, whole wheat toast, and drank a glass of fresh orange juice. I always try to eat a good breakfast during the work week because it gives me enough energy until lunch. What did you eat this morning?
I kept my breakfast quite simple today. I just ate an apple and a bowl of warm oatmeal with honey and fresh blueberries. I am trying to reduce my daily intake of sugar, although it is quite challenging because I have a strong sweet tooth, especially for dark chocolate.
Reducing sugar is a tough challenge. Chocolate is my absolute weakness as well. But your oatmeal bowl sounds extremely healthy. Do you also make sure to drink enough water throughout the day?
Absolutely. I carry a reusable water bottle with me everywhere I go, whether I am sitting at my desk or walking outside. I try to drink at least 2 liters every day. It helps maintain my focus and prevents afternoon headaches.
That is a healthy habit I really need to build. I frequently forget to drink water when I get busy with my daily tasks, and by late afternoon, I feel completely dehydrated.
A simple trick is setting reminders on your smartphone or keeping a large glass filled with water right beside your computer screen so it stays visible.
That is a brilliant idea. I will set a few alarms today. Are you planning to cook dinner at home tonight or order takeaway food?
I always prefer cooking fresh meals at home whenever I can. Tonight, I am planning to prepare a fresh pasta dish with cherry tomatoes, garlic, olive oil, and basil. It only takes about 15 minutes to make, which is ideal after a long workday. What about you?
I bought some fresh chicken breast and vegetables at the market yesterday, so I am going to roast them in the oven with olive oil and spices. I recently found a simple recipe online. I can send you the link if you want to try it out.
Please do. I am always looking for quick, delicious, and healthy dinner recipes.
So, how is your major project progressing at work, Sarah? Is your team making good progress?
We are making steady progress, but the upcoming deadline is creating a lot of stress for everyone. We have to present our final proposal to the management next Friday, and there are still several financial spreadsheets that require double-checking.
Deadline pressure can certainly be overwhelming. Is there anything specific I can assist you with? I have some spare time available this afternoon, and I am quite good with spreadsheets.
Oh, Jason, that is so kind of you to offer. If you could review the budget calculations in Section 3, that would save me at least 2 hours of work.
I would be happy to help you with that. Just email me the file after our conversation, and I will review it before 4 o'clock today.
Thank you so much, Jason. I truly appreciate your support. We make a wonderful team, don't we?
We certainly do. By the way, Who will be delivering the main presentation to the managers next week?
My colleague Mark offered to lead the presentation. He possesses remarkable public speaking skills, stays calm under pressure, and knows how to answer difficult questions smoothly.
Public speaking is such a valuable skill. To be completely honest with you, I still experience anxiety whenever I have to speak in front of a large group of people. My hands get sweaty, and I tend to talk much faster than normal.
That is a completely natural reaction, Jason. Almost everyone experiences some fear before public speaking. One effective technique that works for me is taking 3 deep breaths right before stepping up to speak and focusing on speaking at a steady, measured pace.
That sounds like very practical advice. I will definitely practice that breathing exercise before my next department meeting.
Oh, take a look out the window. The weather has changed so quickly. Heavy rain is starting to fall.
Wow, those dark rain clouds arrived so fast. Did you remember to bring an umbrella with you today?
Regrettably, I completely forgot mine on the coat rack near my door because I was rushing to catch the morning bus.
Do not worry at all. I keep a large spare umbrella in my car. You can easily borrow it for the day so you do not get wet on your walk back to the bus stop.
You are a lifesaver, Jason. Thank you so much. Do you actually enjoy rainy weather, or do you prefer warm, sunny days?
I actually enjoy rainy days when I am staying comfortably indoors with a hot cup of tea and a good book. It feels very cozy. However, when I have to commute or run errands outside, rain can be quite inconvenient.
I agree with you completely. What would you say is your favorite season of the year overall?
I definitely prefer spring above all other seasons. Nature begins to bloom, the temperatures become very pleasant, and the daylight hours grow longer. It feels like a fresh beginning after the cold winter months.
Spring is wonderful, but autumn holds a very special charm for me. I love watching the leaves change into beautiful red, gold, and orange colors. Furthermore, autumn fashion is my absolute favorite. Wearing light sweaters, scarves, and classic coats is so comfortable.
Autumn temperatures are indeed ideal for long walks through city parks or hiking along forest trails without feeling overheated.
Speaking of long walks, do you have any exciting activities planned for the upcoming weekend?
Yes, indeed. On Saturday morning, 2 of my closest university friends and I are heading out to the state park for a day of hiking. We selected a popular mountain trail that leads to a breathtaking summit view. The entire hike should take approximately 4 hours.
That sounds like a wonderful weekend adventure. Have you checked the latest weather forecast for Saturday?
Yes, luckily the forecast predicts clear skies and mild sunshine. I bought a new pair of waterproof hiking boots last month, so I am really looking forward to testing them out on the trail.
Make sure to pack enough water, nutritious snacks, and a lightweight rain jacket, as mountain weather can change rapidly.
Absolutely. Safety and preparation are key. What about your own weekend plans, Sarah? Do you have anything relaxing scheduled?
On Saturday afternoon, I am driving down to visit my parents at their house. They live in a quiet town located about 40 minutes outside the city center. My mother is preparing a traditional family lunch, and we plan to spend the afternoon working in their garden.
That sounds very peaceful and refreshing. How frequently do you get the opportunity to visit your parents?
I try to visit them at least twice a month. Since the driving distance is quite short, it is very easy to go for a weekend visit. My older sister usually joins us as well, so it is always nice when our family gathers together.
Please pass along my best regards to your family. Spending quality time with loved ones is truly precious, especially when our work schedules get busy.
I certainly will, thank you. On Sunday, I plan to stay home, catch up on housework, and simply unwind with a good movie.
Dedicating Sunday to rest is essential. Do you regularly incorporate physical exercise into your weekly schedule?
Yes, I make a conscious effort to stay active. Instead of attending a crowded gym, I prefer practicing yoga at home 4 times a week. I follow an experienced instructor online who offers 30-minute routines. It significantly improves my flexibility, posture, and mental relaxation after long hours sitting at an office desk.
That sounds very rewarding. Is yoga easy to learn for complete beginners?
Absolutely! Most online instructors provide clear, step-by-step guidance for beginners, allowing you to progress at your own comfortable pace. You should definitely try a session sometime.
I might actually take your advice. Currently, I visit a local gym 3 days a week to lift weights and run on the treadmill, but my muscles often feel quite stiff afterward. Adding regular stretching or yoga seems like a great strategy to improve mobility.
It balances strength workouts perfectly. When you wish to unwind during the evening hours, what form of entertainment do you enjoy most?
I am a passionate reader of science fiction books. I thoroughly enjoy stories that explore advanced technology and space exploration. It stimulates my imagination and allows me to mentally disconnect from work responsibilities. How about you? Are you an avid reader as well?
I am, though I tend to favor nonfiction books focused on human psychology and personal development. Reading for 30 minutes before going to sleep has become a vital component of my bedtime routine because it keeps me away from digital screens.
Do you prefer reading traditional paper books, or do you use an e-reader tablet?
I always prefer holding a physical printed book. There is a distinct satisfaction in turning real pages, and avoiding screen exposure before sleeping noticeably improves sleep quality.
By the way, Sarah, how is your ongoing German language learning progressing?
Learning German is progressing steadily, though I must admit that the complex grammar rules can occasionally feel intimidating. Nonetheless, I practice vocabulary daily using flashcard apps and listen to simple audio lessons during my daily bus commute. Consistent daily effort ultimately yields results.
That is a fundamental truth. Daily consistency is key to acquiring any complex skill. Your English, on the other hand, sounds remarkably fluent and natural. What specific techniques did you use to attain this high level?
Thank you very much, Jason. I used a combination of immersive strategies, watching foreign films with English subtitles, reading online news, and most importantly, participating in regular conversations with fluent speakers. Speaking out loud regularly helps overcome the fear of making errors.
That practical advice is immensely encouraging. My goal for the coming year is to enhance my conversational Spanish skills so I can travel across South America comfortably without relying constantly on translation apps.
Traveling becomes vastly more enriching when you can interact with local residents in their native language. Which destination in South America would you like to explore first?
I would love to travel to Peru, hike up to the historic ruins of Machu Picchu, and experience the local food in Lima. It has been at the top of my travel bucket list for many years.
That sounds like an unforgettable journey. I sincerely hope you manage to organize that trip soon. Having exciting travel plans provides so much positive motivation during regular work weeks.
Wow, look at the time, Sarah. It is already 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Time has passed so fast while we were talking.
It really has. Good conversations always make time move swiftly. Are you heading directly home now?
Yes, I am going to pack my laptop and head down to the parking area. Fortunately, the heavy rain has finally stopped, so the drive home should be much smoother.
That is wonderful news. Do you have any specific plans for your evening?
I plan to cook that roasted chicken recipe we discussed earlier, relax on the sofa, and watch an important football match on television. Real Madrid is playing tonight, and it promises to be an intense game.
Enjoy watching the match. I hope your favorite team wins. As for my evening, I am going to prepare my quick pasta dish, brew a warm cup of tea, and finish reading my book.
That sounds like a perfectly relaxing evening. Shall we meet for a brief coffee before our morning work meetings tomorrow?
That sounds wonderful. Let us meet at 8:30 at the coffee shop near our building.
8:30 suits me perfectly. Please do not forget to email me that financial budget file so I can review it for you tonight.
I will send the document over as soon as I arrive at my apartment. Thank you once again for your assistance, Jason. Drive safely, enjoy your evening, and I will see you tomorrow morning.
You too, Sarah. Take good care, enjoy your dinner, and have a pleasant night. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Jason. See you tomorrow.